Larry is my fellow kind of engineering person up here. I mean, not that you aren't engineers, but you're more design oriented. What makes a great product from an engineering sense, not so much from a feature, function, design, user-facing perspective, but from a hardcore bits and bytes perspective?
Right, and that's a very good question because people always say in engineering, the great is the enemy of the good. And that really offends designers because, yeah, maybe it is, but when they go to war, who do you want to win?
Great.
So, but the thing is, they're talking about a different great and good. We're talking about a great experience for the user versus a just good experience for the user.
Yeah.
And I don't think many people would vote for the good if great was available.
Right.
But in engineering, when you say great engineering, it doesn't mean that. It means it doesn't break easily. It's not fragile.
Yeah.
And it is complete. And you don't get into paths in the code that don't go anywhere. Things don't hang. So a lot of it has to do with traditional technical quality when people say great in engineering.
And another way that I think about it too is if your architecture makes it easy to implement what these guys are most likely to ask for, it's a good architecture.
It's well, yeah, there's efficiency, performance, and there's also flexibility.
Right.
Adaptability, customizability. Make it easy, and that designers do appreciate.
Yeah.
Make it easy to change the user interface to run an experiment. That's a terrific thing to do.
Or like, at Next and Apple, you make it easy to do what Steve is going to ask for next. You're a big winner, right? And yeah.